In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to effectively compare different viewpoints on complex topics. I start by heading to the search bar and typing a prompt to compare the arguments for and against nuclear energy expansion, specifically asking for environmental and economic perspectives. Once I submit the query, Perplexity quickly gathers evidence from various sources to provide a structured breakdown of the entire debate. The results explain that while nuclear energy provides a reliable, low-carbon power source that can replace fossil fuels, critics are deeply concerned about high construction costs, radioactive waste management, and the potential for accidents. Economically, the AI highlights the significant trade-off between the massive upfront capital investment required and the potential for long-term grid stability and reduced energy price volatility. Now, I want to explore a different topic to see how the tool handles social debates, so I move down to the follow-up box. I type in a request to contrast viewpoints on the impact of remote work, specifically comparing employee flexibility and well-being with the benefits of in-office collaboration and culture. As the new answer generates, Perplexity highlights that remote work offers employees significantly more control over their schedules and reduces the stress of daily commuting. However, it also presents the counter-argument that physical proximity is often essential for creative brainstorming, effective mentorship, and maintaining a strong, cohesive company identity. The final summary explains that the strongest case for either model often depends on the specific nature of the work, which is why many modern organizations are now adopting hybrid models to find a middle ground. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.